Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hardin County in northwestern New Jersey, Suffolk County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., severe showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arlington to Allentown to Woodville, moving at 50 miles per hour. This line has a history of producing areas of wind damage. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Montague, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Pottstown, Dover, Lansdale, Madison, Pocatong, Fort, Loram Park, Emmaus, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, and Wyomissing. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 295 and 303. Northeast extension between mile markers 26 and 57. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 37. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 308 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 47. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 54. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11.